Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Cynthia Bobila. I'm 42 years old. I'm domestic helper in Saudi Arabia in 2015 to 2017. My madam is I have 4 kids. The one is 6 years old and the two is 16 years old. I prepare food for the kids. I cleaning the house. I wash the clothes, ironing clothes, washing dishes, cleaning the house. Then I prepare food, madam go to work. Finish my contract in 2 years. Then I go Philippines. Then 2020 to 2024 I go again in Saudi Arabia. My madam is 3 in the house. The kids is 17 years old. I prepare food, cooking Arabic food. Also a lot of Arabic food I know how to prepare. I cooking Arabic food. My madam go work again in the office. The kids I put in the school morning, I take afternoon. I cleaning house, iron clothes, washing dishes, cleaning the house. I love pets if I have pets, but my madam finished my contract 4 years. I go Philippines October 26, 2024 last year. If you want me to try to work with you, I do my best to serve your family. Thank you.